Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The jurisdiction of this court has been invoked by way of filing the instant second bail application under section 439 CRPC at the instance of accused petitioner full stop. His first bail application was dismissed, not pressed by this court full stop. In nutshell, the facts of the case are that on 1/5/2014, SHO Ravinder Singh and his team during Nakabandi, an Alto car bearing registration number DL08TS0156 and a truck was coming from Nimbaheda side were intercepted full stop. Upon suspicion, they were interrogated, whereupon the driver of the Alto car disclosed his name to be Kulvinder Chaudhary and the person sitting with him told his name to be Suresh, whereas the driver of the truck disclosed his name to be Raman full stop. Both Kulvinder Chaudhary and Suresh stated that they were escorting the truck in question full stop stanza. Upon search of both the vehicles, a bag containing 500 grams opium was recovered from Alto car and 13 bags of poppy husk weighing 395 kg was recovered full stop. Thereafter, the petitioner and co-accused were taken into custody and a case for under sections 29, 8 and 30 of the NDPS Act got registered against them full stop. It is contended on behalf of the accused petitioner that the petitioner is behind the bars since year 2015 and no case for the alleged offences is made out against him and his incarceration is not warranted full stop. There are no factors at play in the case at hand that may work against grant of bail to the accused petitioner and he has been made an accused based on conjectures and surmises full stop. Contrary to the submissions of learned counsel for the petitioner, learned public prosecutor as also the counsel for the complainant oppose the bail application and submits that the present case is not fit for enlargement of accused on bail full stop stanza. Have considered the submissions made by both the parties and have perused the material available on record full stop. Perusal of the material revealing that this court is not supposed to comment over the quality and credibility of evidence since the same may influence the case of any of the parties full stop. What is the undisputed fact is that the petitioner is behind the bars in this case since year 2015 and since then he is in continuous custody full stop. Learned counsel has drew the attention of this court towards the compliance of section 53 of the NDPS Act and argued that the investigation in this matter ought to have been conducted by an officer of the class of SHO rank, but at this stage this court does not like to comment over it full stop. From the course of proceeding, it can be presumed that the petitioner is now aware responsible for the delay occurring in the smooth process of trial, full stop. The statement of only 2 witnesses has been recorded out of the total 18 witnesses. However, number of witnesses are required to be examined, and it can be assumed that a further long time shall be taken in culmination of trial, full stop. Pending trial, an accused cannot be detained for an indefinite period, full stop.